Welcome back to another episode of DamagedCreator. This is DamagedCreator. We back with another video, and today we are making another bomb snack. You feel me? Today we are making stuffed beefaroni rolls. Well, not stuffed beefaroni rolls. Well, it's gonna be like rolls, but it's stuffed with like with ground turkey, marinara sauce, parsley, cilantro, provolone cheese, the whole 9 yards. We finna have a good time with this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more information. And we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Let's start the video. Okay, so let's go get our ingredients. The first thing we want to get is the marinara sauce. This is Mantia's garlic and herb marinara sauce. Then we have Parmesan cheese from Mantia's. Then we have from Members Mark cilantro and parsley. This is all for the base. Well, not the base, the filling of it all. Okay. Next, we gotta have our ground turkey. We got ground turkey from Honeysuckle White. This is 85% lean, 15% fat ground turkey. Then we're gonna get our cheese. This is natural cheese provolone, smoked flavor added. You can get 2 of those for $4. Will save a lot. And then, last but not least, you got your rolls. I got these fluffy 12 brown and serve enriched rolls from Save a Lot. These were $1.39. You can use any type of rolls, but you can use like the biscuits. You can use the Pillsbury Doughboy rolls. But I prefer these because these are probably going to be more easier to stuff and things of that nature. So now we got our ingredients. Let's go ahead and get to making this filling, this sauce. Let's go. Alright. So the first thing we're about to do is we're about to heat up 2 things. We're going to heat up this skillet right here. And then we're going to preheat the oven. Now, according to the instructions on the rolls, we're going to preheat this oven to no more than 400 degrees, and it's going to bake for 8 to 10 minutes, which is not too bad. So let's preheat the oven. And then we're going to turn on the power burner and let that heat up. And this won't take no more than just a few minutes to cook and stuff like that. You know, especially being the size of it and that is really small. Okay? So it won't take up no more than a few minutes to, you know, completely cook all the way. And this is a really good, like, snack, little something for the kids. You know what I mean? Especially because these are, like, really fun rolls and stuff. I'm only going to make 6 of these at a time because I don't want to waste them and stuff like that. You know, because you want to save them for later. You know what I mean? So, yeah. These are going to be really good. I have a good feeling about this. Alright, so we got olive oil cooking spray, no stick cooking spray from Medeiros. And we're basically just going to coat the pan. You can also use regular olive oil, but I prefer this because this is definitely a much more better alternative. And you don't have to waste no time here. So make sure the pan is coated like that. Okay, it's popping a little bit. I'm a little stirred. Move the scissors so I can open the package up. So, you're going to open this up, and I'm going to make sure to wash my hands because safety, health, safe regulations, stuff like that. And then wash my hands. See that? Wiped up, washed, ready to go. So now we're going to take some fork out. Some fork. And if you see anything black on my nails, please excuse that. I try to paint my nails, but just coat the pen in case it gets dry. So, we're going to take it, cut it open, and this should come out real nice. Oh, there's something on it. So it should come out and be pushed up quite nicely. No problem at all, guys. So there are pros and cons to this. The pro is, of course, it's an easier meat to cook and it browns pretty good. The con to this is, unlike the meat that I'm used to, this takes a little bit while to cut. And what I mean by that is, it takes a while to kind of spread it apart, even after I defrost it, stuff like that. And remember, if you are going to do this with your children, make sure you are their supervisor as the adult supervisor. Okay, this is kind of better now. But the last one I used, this is like really difficult to cut, and it's like almost leaving big chunks of meat in the skillet. So just gotta be mindful of that. And like I said, if you want to do this with the kids, be my guest. Just make sure you are supervising them at all times. And so on and so forth. So let me go ahead and start browning this meat. And as you can see, it's literally covered with the olive oil. And the olive oil spray really did its job, guys. Not too bad for a semi-professional chef. Alright, so let me get through this boring part by browning meat and stuff like that, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so the meat is completely browned. I'm trying to check to see if there's any more pink before I add my sauce. And meat, you know, especially like ground turkey and stuff like that, it should not take that long to cook, especially when you have it on a skillet or in like a basic pot that you do. If you want to do like a one pot thing, one skillet thing, it should not be that long to cook. So our next step, of course, is our sauce. So we got our sauce popping. Dump the whole sauce in. All that good sauce. Okay? Add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. You don't want it to be too liquidy. Just add a little more water. That's my mama talk. Just add just a little bit more water. You know, just by watching her doing this stuff like this, just add a little bit more water, and then the process will be done. Because now you got the non-stick cooking spray giving it flavor. And I normally don't season my ground turkey, but I season with a little bit of salt, a little bit of kosher salt. I normally just leave it alone, you know what I mean? Because got to be more careful. Get out the way. I normally don't season the sauce. I mean, season my ground turkey, because the sauce normally gives a flavor. So that's that situation. Okay. So now the meat is officially browned along with the sauce, and the sauce is not too liquidy, not too, chunky. It's just right. It's right there in the middle. Okay? So now we're going to take, I'm going to move this because it's on one of the spices here. Give y'all a good little view. And we're going to lower this in a little bit. Alright, so we're going to take the Parmesan cheese. No, actually, we're going to start with our parsley. This is from McCormick, one of my favorite spices and herbs company. Just add a little bit at a time. Then we're going to add the cilantro. Now this is a lot, so I don't use a lot of cilantro. Then you add your Parmesan cheese. Get it all in there. Sometimes you gotta tap it. Then you add 2 to 3 slices of provolone. It has that smoke flavor. So of course, I'm gonna throw that in there. I'm taking it piece by piece. And this is going to be a fun video to edit too, guys. Throwing the cheese in there. I normally throw this in during the simmer mode. And when I mean like simmering, I mean when I turn the heat down and then cover it with a plate and let it simmer for a few minutes. But this is not like my beefaroni. Well, it's kind of like a beefaroni, but it's just a little bit different. You know what I mean? So we're adding 2 to 3 pieces of provolone cheese. Okay, so Mama Oven telling me she's ready, so we're gonna wrap it up here with the cheese ripping. And what the heck, wrap? We'll do a little more. So we're gonna turn that heat down, and we are going to begin to melt the cheese and make sure that cheese is nice and melted, and also make sure you get that good cheese stretch, especially when doing this type of recipe. Oh, this is looking good, guys. Okay, this is one of my best ones yet. And you can, like I said, this is a good snack for the kids, or a nice little appetizer and stuff like that. Let me get that infamous stretch. Yeah. Really nice. Let me taste it. This is really good, you guys. I really didn't need that salt at all, because this gives it so much flavor. So yeah, I didn't put that much salt in there. So I'm going to let this simmer for a little bit and get it ready to fill in the bowls. So this is how I do my simmer. I take a plate and I just cover it like that. And I do about no more than 5 minutes. Okay? So that's it. just to trap in all that and let it steam. Let it get that nice simmering goodness in there. And that's what my simmering mode is. Alright? See y'all in a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the finishing results. They're a little bit hard at the top because I left them in too long, but the bottom is definitely okay. Yeah, that's soft. So one of these has to be soft. Which one was it? This one. So I'm gonna try that one after it cools off. But you guys, these looks really good. They look really good, guys. I'm really glad I did this. So let me try this one. Oh my god. This is good. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what I can do differently. There's room for improvement. I'm gonna finish the rest of these. I'll see y'all later. Bye!